to my channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to download the latest version of VS Code on your Windows 11 Pro. For this, we'll be needing a Firefox browser or Microsoft browser, also Google Chrome, whichever that pleases you. For me, I prefer Google Chrome, so I'll go to click on my Google Chrome and go to the search bar and type VS Code or Visual Studio Code, anyone you prefer. It's going to show you the same result at the end of the day, and press enter. Then the first link you will see is code.visualstudio.com. This is the official link to Visual Studio website. So I will click on the Visual Studio Code link. It will take me to the landing page. As you can see on the left bottom corner, there's download for Windows, and also at the top right you see download. All right, I prefer clicking on the download for Windows since it's specified there. Click it and watch it download. Automatically it will begin downloading. You can go and check this in your downloads. You can see after downloading, I click on this file, accept the terms and agreements. You can read through this. If you have the time, click on next. Also, you can customize this to your own taste. This is the preferred settings I use for my own setup. I click on next. Also, click on the install button, and let us wait and watch this download. This will take from between 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, let's be patient enough to wait for this. Watch this setup. I think we're almost done. We are 90% done now. We're almost done. So you can see this is fast. After setting up, click on the launch Visual Studio Code, check and click on the finish button and watch it pop up by itself. I want to maximize my view, so it's going to give me a full screen display. That tab I closed is because I had a code I was editing with the Visual Studio before now, but this is the official display. When you don't have when you've not opened the file before with Visual Studio Code on your laptop, this is what it shows you. So I'm going to go and show you how to open a file, open Visual Studio Code from your file browser. This is what from your file browser. Yeah, this is what I'm going to show you now. Okay, first of all, let's quit this. I'm going to minimize this tab now and go to my file browser and show you how you can open a file for Visual Studio Code from a file browser. Okay, we'll click on the minimize button now and go to our file browser. This is a Python. You can see a Jupyter source file. You know, Visual Studio Code can edit any kind of file, right? Click on open with, choose Visual Studio Code. Okay, you see these are the content of the file I opened. Note I can use Visual Studio Code to edit this by installing. I can use Visual Studio to edit this and also run it by installing a Python extension. Alright, I'm going to teach you that now, that another session of my video. For now, this is all I have to say and all I have to teach you about Visual Studio Code. Thanks. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.